am excited about this wig install. So y'all know I am in love with the quality wigs from MyFirstWig, and this wig is no different. So this wig comes with a pre-plucked hairline. It comes on a super nice clear HD lace. The wig comes with bleached knots. So baby, this is a top of the line, top tier lace frontal wig, and like I said, I'm excited to install it. So I'm going to go ahead and do my normal routine when it comes to securing the wig down, which is using holding spray, pulling out the baby hairs, and pushing the hairline into my scalp or into my skin just to get that meltdown effect, but not having the hairline so harsh or so hard. Okay, so I'm not even gonna hold y'all. I was starting off the normal way I cut my lace, which is using scissors, and I just decided to take my razor comb because I see so many girls using a razor comb to remove the lace, and I'd be like, ooh, I'd be scared that I'm gonna cut my skin, but I do like the way it looks when you use a razor comb to remove the lace. It definitely like alleviates the whole oval shape or the unnatural shape that a pair of scissors could give if you don't do like the zigzag motion. So I could see myself using this technique again. I'm just so stuck in my ways with my installs. I just don't know if I would actually pick up the razor comb again, but I do like how it looks. So I don't know, it's confusing, but girl, either way, you can definitely do both. So now that y'all see what the beautiful hairline is giving, now it's time to get into the parting space on this wig, which is just as important as the hairline. So this wig is a 13 by 6 lace frontal wig. So meaning, girl, you get 6 inches of lace no matter where you part this wig. So if you are a side part girl, this wig is definitely for you. If you're a middle part wig, then yes, girl, this wig can definitely be for you. And I just gotta say, I love the hairline on this wig. Look at how it literally looks like it is growing from my scalp. So I'm just going to go ahead and do my middle part, which I decided to do. I was going to do a side part, but I ended up going with the middle part, and I'm going to start to apply some heat to the hair, and then I'll come back and take the scarf out so I can show you guys how good the lace melted into my skin. wig is so gorgeous, and the texture just makes this wig even better. So basically what I'm doing is taking my hot comb and smoothing out the hairline, making sure the wig is super flat, and just making sure the wig literally looks like it is growing out of my scalp, and it is my hair indeed. Y'all, this is a beautiful wig. I am here for my first wig, stepping it up with the wig game. Come on. So I did decide to go in and just clip the ends just to give a more even, clean look. I did not want to take off a lot of length on this hair. This is a 22 inch. So yeah, I just wanted to clean it up and make it look a little bit better. And y'all, love this hair, love this texture. This wig is so beautiful, y'all. So y'all know I review a lot of wigs, and this is one of the wigs that I would highly suggest being a staple wig, simply because it comes with a beautiful hairline. I did not have to do any plucking or bleaching to this hairline whatsoever, and the lace on this wig is perfect, and the amount of parting space on this wig, by the way, again, is 6 inches. And look at how beautiful and full the actual wig is itself. Again, this is a Yaki texture wig at 22 inches. Like, y'all, this is the perfect wig. This is a wig that requires minimum effort, minimum skills. So I'm going to make sure I leave my first wig information below so you girls can definitely get your life with this wig, because it is definitely giving what it needs to give.